All right, the topic is describe an item on which you spent more than expected. This topic is in the past tense, so you spent more than expected.
Okay.
Please start.
Recently, my mobile phone broke down. I had to buy an iPhone. I had considered many different mobile models, which I was used in recent past,
Which I had used in the past.
which I had used in the past, but I prefer iPhone because of its brand name and the good reviews of my close one. Its price, the price was is much more higher than I expected.
Than
uh,
I had expected.
than I had expected. It was almost 70,000 rupees, but I went it on it and buy it. Uh,
And bought it.
Bought it because its camera quality was very good. Its response rate was faster than other mobiles. Its quality was good, and previously I had I am Samsung mobile user, but due to my old friend told me that iPhone is much far better than Samsung in quality and other specifications. I had after buying it, I felt better.
I felt.
I felt better.
Okay, all right, good. Just try to have some fluency,
Okay.
use some connecting words, and
Okay.
speak confidently.
Okay.
And take interest.
Okay.
You should show some excitement, happiness, interest, and all that.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's important. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Do you often buy more than your expectations?
Yes, most of the time, in daily routine life, I bought.
I buy.
I buy many things.
More
Which
than my
more than
expectations.
expectations, which I use in daily life. Like sometimes I buy two pairs of shirts when it's on sale. More even if I just need one pair of shirt, but
Okay, so to answer this question, I usually
Usually
buy
buy
more
more
than
than
I
expected.
expected. Something like that. Okay, that's good. In part 3, signpost your answer and
Okay.
proper conclusion should be added.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.